Beautiful one bedroom in Sunnyside. This is entrance. That's a cold closet. It's the living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. There's a Pullman kitchen. Bathroom. It's the bedroom. A large bedroom. You can fit a king-size bed. It's got 2 windows, 2 closets. There's one here, another closet here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, launch in the building, very close to the train station. The apartment, very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.